Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you the 4 effects in Filmora 11 that make the program just like After Effects. Before we start the video, make sure to get your Elements Envato subscription right now, and get the paid version of Filmora. I will put a link in my description down below. Don't get the pirate versions because you can harm your computer and hackers can access really sensible data. Get the real and updated version right now and be a professional video editor. And of course, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started now. The first effect is called Active Camera and you can find it in the new blue elements. This is a plugin and you must have the real Filmora version, not the pirate one, to access this plugin effect. The second effect is called Cutaway. Just follow how I'm testing the effect. The third effect is called Image Mapper. This effect allows you to manipulate with your image. The fourth effect is called Auto Pan and this is my favorite one. This is basically a professional moving camera effect. It's easier to use it here than in After Effects. After Effects is more difficult. In both programs you'll get the same outcome, just here you will put in less work. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one.